Hello, good morning dear students. Today I am here to teach you how to draw the angles. So students, in this class we will learn how to draw the different types of angles. So students, I have brought some question. Draw the following angles. Here you are provided with different angle. In question number A, there is angle MAN, and in question number B, there is angle GOD. As I have already taught you in previous classes how to draw the angles, so once more today we will focus on how to draw the given angles. So students, while drawing the given angles, we have to be very conscious. The main thing is you have to be very careful with vertex. So students, as you can see, angle MAN, here vertex matters a lot. As I have already told you, the letter which lies in the middle is your vertex. So students, here your vertex is A. As we can see, A lies in the middle. सो विद्यार्थीहरू ए यहाँ बीचमा भएको हुनाले ए हाम्रो भर्टेक्स हो. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, नाउ while drawing the angle, your vertex should be A. So students, let's start drawing the angle. So while drawing the angle, let's mark 3 point 1 2 3. So students, here I have drawn 3 point. As I have already told you, your vertex is A, so you have to be very careful with your vertex. So students, let's name it M A N. So students, since A is our vertex, so now we will draw line from M towards A and from N towards A. So विद्यार्थीहरू, A भर्टेक्स भएको हुनाले हामीले M देखि A सम्म र N देखि A सम्म लाइनलाई हामीले प्रोड्युस गर्छौं. So let's produce. So students, you have to draw like this. So students, here we have got an angle which is angle MAN. So students, you can check it. As question had asked us to draw angle MAN where A is your vertex. So students, here you can see MA and NA, they have met at point A, so the meeting point is your vertex. A is your vertex. So विद्यार्थीहरू, MA र NA A मा मिट भएको हुनाले A हाम्रो vertex रहेको छ र एंगलको नाम एंगल MAN रहेको छ. So students, now let's move towards next question. Our next question is angle GOD. So students, here again you have to consider the vertex. As we all know, vertex lies in middle, so here at middle there is O. So students, while drawing the angle, O must be your vertex. So students, let's draw the angle. Here I mark 3 dots. Let's name it as G O D. As we know, our vertex is O. So students, now we will extend the line from G up to O and D up to O. So विद्यार्थीहरू अब हामीले G देखि O सम्म र D देखि O सम्म लाइन प्रोड्युस गर्छौं with the help of ruler and pencil. So students, this is our angle GOD. So students, actually here I have drawn a right angle GOD. A right angle is an angle which measures exactly 90 degree. So students, we will study about right angle in our next chapter. So in this way students, we can draw the angle. So let's draw more angles. Let's omit it. Let's name the angle RMA. So angle ATM. So students, now let's draw angle RMA. And students, it is not compulsory that you have to mark 3 points. Without marking 3 points in the beginning, you can draw an angle. So students, look at here. You can draw an angle like this also. So students, here I have drawn one angle. Now you can name these letters later on also. So students, since our vertex is M, as M lies in the middle, so as you can see in this angle, vertex is the meeting point of the two arms. So these two arms, they have met at this point. So this is your vertex. So you can write M here. Since M is your vertex and the vertex in this angle is here, so students, you can name it as M. Now R you can write here. R you can write here too. Either you can write here or you can write here, as you wish. R A. So students, here we have drawn angle RMA or angle AMR. So students, now let me draw another angle ATM. So students, now I will draw in different way. So students, here I have drawn another angle. Now as you can see, our vertex is T. So students, here in this angle, the vertex is the meeting point of these two arms. As you can see, meeting point of these two arms is this point. So you can name it as T. विद्यार्थीहरू, हाम्रो मिटिङ पोइन्ट यो पोइन्ट भएको हुनाले हामीले भर्टेक्सलाई यहाँ लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Now you can write A as you wish. Either you can write here or you can write here. Now let me write it as M and it as A. So students, we have drawn an angle ATM. M or angle MTA. So students, hope we have understood today's class very well. Now in the next class we will learn how to measure the angles. So students, I would like to give you some questions as your homework, so please do it at home. Let me give you homework. Angle ABC, angle FCB, angle MIC, angle RAT. So students, please complete these 4 questions at your home. So students, this much for today. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.